Hello Yatris, welcome back to our Yatri Cloud. This is Yatach Chauhan, 4S GitHub certified. So I hope you got the GitHub voucher in free and how you schedule your exam. And this is time to get a certified. And who didn't get voucher till yet, just join our GitHub community to getting latest update and keep hold it down. Who still in a waiting period of the 50% off, so just wait for the GitHub update and we will update it as soon as possible. So no worries, just focus on the learning. Okay, now that is the main point. If you understand the concept, then you are going to give any certification exam. Correct? So yeah, before going to do that, let's start with the difference between Git and GitHub. So let's go with the definition. As you know, DVCS, distribution version control system, already said in my past video where we are going to operate using the Git commands and we covered the GitHub. So especially overview about the GitHub, which is the cloud-based hosting service. Especially you can give any access to your team members, you can use the collaboration features, you can use the GitHub pages to deploy any application, and also you can use the GitHub access to configure the CI/CD pipelines, especially while going to be a DevOps or cloud engineer, right? So that was talking about the definition. But now let's understand, okay, what exactly the meaning. Let's go to the terminal and I'm typing the date. So you can check it out. Each and everything are operating inside the terminal, okay? And I'm going to manage via this command called that. Now, inside our operating system windows, you can see our date inside your panel, in the notification panel. So this is actually showcasing via UI format, and this is showcase you via terminal format, right? In a very simple way. So Git is the terminal base where you are going to operate with commands just like the date command. Okay, just the example. Now github.com, the cloud-based platform, which is based on the UI, you can give any access, you can manage other stuffs via user interface, right? So I hope that's clear before going to further on the difference. So if yes, just type hashtag I am Yatri in the comment box and subscribe to get the latest update on the next video. So it's a very amazing journey with you, all of you Yatris. Now we have our own purpose to become a GitHub certified together who didn't certified. So yeah, now talking about the purpose in terms of Git and GitHub. So Git is used for track changes, to maintain histories, to give any, allowing something from your code to someone, right? And now GitHub is used to give project management features. You can maintain your team, especially who are working in development, who are working in production. You can use the GitHub Enterprise to manage your business, how you are going to deploy your application, and such other things. Okay, a lot of stuff. Then third one about use case. So especially as a developer, you are working in your local system. So this is special for Git, especially you are working in the local. But let's say you want to change the code directly inside the repository which is stored in the github.com. Okay, so now at that time you are going to use the GitHub to change anything. Clear? Now, fourth one, installation. So to install the Git, you must have a Git install in your local system. So if you already installed it or not, just go to the terminal, type git --- version. So you will find out Git is installed. If not, then you need to install the Git to use the commands. Git init, git add, git commit, and also commands, right? Now talking about the GitHub, so for that you need just one account. For that you are going to create new or log in with your credential inside the GitHub and you can use it right now. Simple. So let's say here is the GitHub. Now I just need to log in my account, and after the login, I'm going to create a repo and store the code and other things. So simple. I don't need to install anything in my system or not in any other remote server. No. Clear? Okay. Now back to the repository section. So let's say you are going to create a folder where you are going to store your code. So this is operating inside your local system, then it's a local repo. But if you are going to create a repo inside the GitHub, then it's called remote repositories. Clear? Local inside your local system, which is called a local repo, remote repository stored in the GitHub. Now, let's talk about the collaboration. So, not recommended to everyone to use these features inside your Git. It's a manual process. But you can use the collaboration features directly via GitHub interface. Then how you are going to give access to anyone. So let's say this is repo, and now I'm going to setting. Inside the setting, you can find out the one option collaboration in the left side. Just click on the collaboration and just verify your account, and you will be getting a one option to enter the username when you are going to give any such type of access to your team member. Okay. Now let's wrap it out as soon as possible. I know it's taking a long time, but it's a very essential to understand it in a very deep manner. So let's say now talking about the access control. So access control actually managed by you as a developer. You are going to manage each and everything by your own self. Just because of you have your own laptop, right? Then you are the owner, you are the operator, you are the developer to manage your code. But that's talking about the GitHub. If you give something to someone, if you give access to someone, right? Then that person is going to change anything. Correct? So for that, you need to maintain your access. You need to maintain your privilege to keep it more secure. So that was very simple. And let's talk about the backup. So if your system is going to fail, if your laptop is suddenly going inside the format, then your code is gone. Oh, too horrible, right? Where you are working a numbers of hours inside your code base and suddenly your PC is going down then. But if you store your code frequently, then no one is just git clone and your code is back. So this is a simple difference. So you can create a backup inside the GitHub via different repo, or you can manage it via directly from your account. It's simple. Now, additional features. So let's talking about the additional one in a github.com. So let's say you are DevOps engineer, then mostly you are working with the GitHub Action CI/CD. Suppose you are a cloud engineer and working on the deployment side, then you might be know about the GitHub pages to deploy your application. And the third one, GitHub packages, is special to maintain the code and structure and all via the packages. So now talking about the commands. So you need to first create, you need to first install the Git. Then you need to initialize your repo inside your local. For that, you are going to use the git init command, then other further commands which you can see. So if you are going to change anything in your remote repo, so you need to add the origin keyword. Understand? If you are use the origin keyword, then your code is going to change into the remote server, right? But if you use the git push or pull command directly, then your code is only changed inside your local system. So I hope that was clear. And you are watching this via your local system. You are watching this video and you're getting the knowledge. from YouTube you are from YouTube, right? Then it's fetching the, I guess I can say getting the data from remote server to your local system. Let's say you are going to download this video, okay, and then somehow you are going to save this video inside your gallery. Then you can directly pull the code from server to your local system. Just relate the concept, right? What I need to explain. Clear? So I hope that was simply understandable by you, and just give a thumbs up to getting more videos, and stay tuned further with Yatri Cloud, and have a good day, and bye bye, take care, see you soon.